Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing one of my favorite recipes, jeera chicken. It is also called cumin chicken. I am starting with roasting 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds or jeera for this recipe. We can roast well until the color gets golden. We can transfer it into a bowl, brush it well and keep it aside. Now we can add half cup of ghee into a heated pan. It's better to use homemade ghee to enhance the taste, but you can also use oil, but I prefer to use ghee only. Next I am adding 1 cup of onion and stir well. A nice aroma will come while frying the onions in ghee. It's one of my favorite recipes and the first time I made this for my brother-in-law. After that I made this recipe frequently at our home. It is a dry chicken dish you can serve as a side dish or as a main course with roti or rice. Now we can add the cumin powder we prepared first and make a good mix with the onions. Now it's time to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, stirring well. If you are new to our channel, subscribe and enable the bell icon to get new videos. If you love this recipe, do like it and share it with your loved ones. I am adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. After adding this, I am giving it a nice mix. We have to wait until the ghee gets clear. Now it's almost ready and add 500 grams of chicken into it. I'm giving it a good mix. All the flavors want to mix with chicken. And remember one thing, it is a mild spiced recipe. Add some salt and stir well. We can close the lid and cook for some time. The juices from the chicken came out and the chicken was cooking in the gravy. It's a dry recipe, so you can see it cooked well. Add some fresh coriander leaves and mix well. Then 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, and I am finishing with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. and some curry leaves. Delicious cumin chicken or jeera chicken is ready to serve. It's a must-try recipe. Try this at home and let us know your feedback about your recipe in the comments. We will be happy to hear from you. Thanks for your support.